Hey there, if you're looking to supercharge your customer relationships without spending a penny, you're in the right place. I'm Sunny, and today we are diving into the world of free customer relationship management systems, showcasing the best of the best. Whether you are a startup, a small business, or just need a cost effective way to manage your customer interactions, we have got the perfect solutions for you. So, let's get started. First up, we have Insightly, known for its outstanding opportunity management. Insightly offers robust tools to help you track leads, manage projects, and convert opportunities into sales. The intuitive dashboards allows you to visualize your sales pipeline. No opportunity slips through the cracks. Plus, the seamless integration with G Suite and Office 365 makes it a perfect choice for businesses already using this platform. Insightly Opportunity Management is second to none. You can easily create and assign tasks, set milestones, and monitor progress in real time. This CRM is all about helping you close deals more efficiently. You get all these features perfect for businesses looking to grow without breaking the bank. Next, we have Agile CRM, which stands out for its integrated marketing solutions. Agile CRM is designed to streamline your marketing, sales, and service processes. The built-in marketing automation tools allow you to create, manage, and track campaigns effortlessly. From email marketing to social media integrations, Agile CRM has everything you need to engage your audience effectively. With Agile CRM, you can automate your marketing tasks, track customer engagement, and analyze the performance of your campaigns. The drag and drop builder makes creating email campaigns a breeze, and real-time analytics help you make data-driven decisions. It is a marketer's dream, and yes, it's free. Moving on to Bitrix24, the best choice for unlimited free users. If you have a large team and need a CRM that scales with you, Bitrix24 is your go-to. It offers a wide range of features including CRM, project management, and communication tools, all under one roof. And the best part, you can add as many users as you need without any additional cost. Bitrix24 excels in collaborations and team management. You can assign tasks, set deadlines, and communicate with your team seamlessly. The integrated telephony and chat features ensure you stay connected with your clients and team members, making it a powerhouse for growing businesses. Now let's talk about EngageBay, renowned for its live chat capabilities. EngageBay offers a full suite of CRM tools, but its standout feature is the live chat functionality. This tool allows you to engage with website visitors in real time, providing immediate support and capturing leads on the spot. This means you can provide instant support and ensure no lead is missed. It's a fantastic tool for businesses that prioritize customer engagement and support. Next, we have Freshsales, which is best for its robust features. Freshsales offers a comprehensive CRM solutions with features like AI-based lead scoring, built-in phone, email tracking, and more. It's designed to help you manage your sales process from start to finish. Freshsales stands out with its AI-driven insights, helping you prioritize leads and close deals faster. The integrated phone systems allows you to make calls directly from the CRM, while email tracking lets you see when a lead opens your email. These features make Freshsales a powerful tool for any sales team. Then we have HubSpot, the best for sales automation. HubSpot CRM is renowned for its ease of use and powerful automation features. It allows you to automate your sales tasks, freeing up time for your team to focus on closing deals. HubSpot's automation tools let you set up workflows to automate follow-up emails, task assignment, and more. The intuitive interface makes it easy to track your sales pipeline and manage customer relationships. And with the free version, you get access to a suite of tools that can transform your sales process. Last but not least, we have Zoho CRM, the best for integrations. Zoho CRM is known for its flexibility and extensive integration options. Whether you need to connect with your email, social media, or other businesses tools, Zoho CRM has you covered. Duo CRM integrates seamlessly with over 500 business applications, making it incredibly versatile. You can customize your CRM to fit your business needs, automate workflows, and gain insights with advanced analytics. It's top choices for businesses looking to integrate their CRM with their existing tools. So there you have it, the best free CRMs tailored to different needs. Insightly for opportunity management, Agile CRM for integrated marketing solutions, Bitrix24 for unlimited free users, EngageMe for live chat, Fresh Sales for robust featured, HubSpot for sales automations, and Zoho CRM for integrations. Which CRM is right for you? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you have any questions, we're here to help. Thanks for watching and happy CRM hunting.